So after installation of Slideshow, we need to open general settings. Over here we can select do we want to include jQuery. In RWD theme we don't include it because the theme itself have it, and if you use custom template you may have jQuery as well. You need to check it out with template specifications. And currently Slideshow has two Slideshow plugins, it's JSSOR and BX Slider. So JSSOR is in beta testing, so it's disabled by default, and if you want you can try to use it, but basically it's beta. It's not tested and roll out yet. And BX Slider is live, so by default it's enabled on all pages. And if you click to disable, you will need to manually add layout updates from slideshow.xml file at the layouts folder to any page where you want to use Slideshow. But basically, if you don't have developer skills, you can use pre-configured set. The only important thing you would need to check is jQuery. And basically, if you have JSOR disabled, you don't use this type of Slideshow. So next, we're going to manage slides. Here we can make multiple slides for different Slideshow, and we can use few slides per one Slideshow. So we need to specify slide name, image, and URL. If you want to use URLs inside our store, we can specify store URL, or we can just put any other link. So you can make here slides as much as you want, you can sort them, select them, and you can see what slideshows they are in. And you can make slideshow, and here you can make slideshow, you can put slideshow name, you can put slideshow type. So currently is only one which recommended to use is BX Slider. Here you can select slides. You can check them, save, and at the slideshow options you can select all options from slideshow. So basically all of these options you can find at BX Slideshow. BX Slider. At the BX Slider page they have all these options and they explain what this option means. Also you have commands underneath of the options. At the BX Slider plugin page you can find examples for different options. If you don't have any options you need, you can do it in HTML files if you need to. So basically Slideshow is very easy to customize for your own needs. You can make horizontal, vertical fade mode, you can change speed, you can set that it was random start, you can enable disable infinite loop, adaptive height, responsive, touch events. If you need to use custom template for the Slideshow, you can select template file name. So by default use bgslider.html. So if you need to make custom one, you put it here and it will be used. You can disable enable pager, controls, and make images go in right or left, next or previous direction, make images stop when you hover them, and enable autoplay. So next thing what we're going to do is add our Slideshow. So we'll add Slideshow, CMS page with Slideshow, and here how we insert our Slideshow. This way you can insert in different pages of your website different Slideshow. We click insert widget, we select widget type Slideshow, and we choose Slideshow name. That's it. Then we click save, and We open the page and we can see slideshow. It's here. And we can see that it's responsive. Thank you. I hope you will like the extension.